The respondents in the present case are trying to take shelter of fact that petitioners had been given appointment in the year 2008 and their services being regularized in the year 2010. Thus, in view of amended regulation 2010, they are entitled for seniority from the date of substantive appointment, but the question is that it was the denial by respondent authorities themselves that petitioners who were legally entitled for their appointment for no rhyme and reason were prevented of their legitimate right, and after litigating for 12 long years they succeeded to get appointed. Para. Moreover, respondents neither in the earlier round of litigation nor in the present case has been able to justify why appointment was not offered to petitioners in the year 1996 itself, when a person lower in merit to them was given appointment. Stop. It is a case where respondents themselves ought to be blamed for defeating the legitimate claim of petitioners and thereafter denying the benefits such as seniority and old pension scheme available prior to formation of new company stock. The respondents could not deny the fact that petitioners were not given appointment pursuant to merit list prepared after the examination was held pursuant to advertisement for the post in question in the year 1992/1993. Once it is an admitted position that petitioners are part of the same advertisement oblique selection process, and the only factum being that they were given appointment after 12 years after the intervention of the court, for which they cannot be faulted upon. The stand of respondent Nigam cannot be accepted to the extent that appointment letter provided for contributory provident fund scheme, and once they have joined they are bound by appointment letter. Para. Had petitioners be at fault for not complying certain terms and conditions, or were not qualified and were given appointment after completion of any training, then respondents could be justified that no benefit can be extended to them as has been given and offered to earlier inducted candidates from the same advertisement. But in the present case, petitioners being placed higher in merit and for no fault of theirs were denied appointment, and persons lower in merit were offered appointment for no rhyme and reasons, and till date the Nigam, having failed to justify its stance for not extending the benefit, and as to why person lower in merit, that is Sudhir Kumar, was offered appointment. Para. Reliance placed by respondents upon decision in case of Satya Prakash Supra is not applicable in the present case, as in the said case the apex court had made it clear that seniority of the candidate would be determined only from the date when he joins the service, but in the present case no such rider was placed by the court while placing the order dated 21/4/2008, and moreover the court had recorded the fact that respondents had failed to justify why petitioners were denied appointment though they were higher in merit than the person who was given